tinanin niya na isang pagusod, registered nurse po so. Okay, have a seat. Okay, another scholar ni Kuya, si Miss Nikki Arindain. Again, graduated as cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Dito, Toyo, kaway taway. Okay. Quantity, registered nurse. Okay. Another scholar ni Kuya Bong, Mr. Marty Rocco, graduated as cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Pero wala na siya kung pagkakaito. Registered na siya LPG. Okay. Nice choice, the mark. Okay. Another scholar ni Kuya, si